So worried he's gonna miss something. Man, them don't get out of the water for him, they can run to. But he don't care. He's looking for something to eat. He ain't scared. He is not scared. Where you going? Saw that big old shadow mounting him. That's the thing about gators, man. You gotta understand their nature and better be prepared, or you will get bit. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on back up here. Come on. Come here. Let me see you. Come on. Come on. Act like you're scared. I know you ain't scared. You come down here and put your head in my lap. I know you would. Look at you. Huh? Crazy ass. Crazy ass. Crazy ass alligator. Playing games? You going to the other side? Let's go see if there's some fish over there. It's about, I guess, 800 feet. Can you sprint it? Don't look so angry all the time.